Hello traders and welcome back to Newtonfx Academy learning program. If you're new to the channel guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification. So in this video guys, we're going to take a look at US30 and NAS100. Yesterday, I did also give you guys a breakdown video of what to expect on US30 and NAS100, but today I'm gonna take another look and give you guys some more insight to what you guys can expect on this pair, guys. So let's just get started, right? So what I can see on the overall market sentiment and the market behavior on US30 at the moment is that, as you guys could see, that we have this higher low point and we have this higher high point. So this is basically where price is trading. As you guys can see, we have this impulsive move all the way to the upside, and that impulsive move was creating this higher high. But now we can see that price is basically in a retracement phase, okay? Get it right. This is a retracement phase, right? So I will not basically focusing on to buys right now on this reason, right? Because why, gang? Because why, right? Price will retrace easily back to this area right here. It's around 35,000 uh 35,700, right? Price can easily come and retrace back to this region and come to the downside and come and test this lows here again, and then it will create equal lows, right? There will be a better opportunity for you to take long-term buys, right? There will be a confirmation for long-term buys, right? Because my gang, if you're trying to take a long-term position right now from this reason, right? We still have this lower high structure point that was creating this move here all the way to the downside, right? And we also have this area of resistance. As you guys could see, we did break out of this equal lows right here, and we did create this new form of a lower low structure into the market. So price can easily come and retrace back and then trying to come and test this lows again. So if price reject this lower low structure point here, right on this area, then we can say, okay, we can see some form of a long-term continuation to the upside, because why, then price will continue with this move to the upside. And one thing that we can take a look at as well guys is we can take a look here at CNBC and just click on Dow 30, and what you guys could see that all of our stocks is down, right? All of our stocks is down. I don't want you guys to go too much in depth into fundamentals, but you guys must have at least an understanding of what you guys can expect of what is going on into the market, right? So here you guys can see everything is just red, and that is not a good sign for the US30. So that is why you guys can see we have this retracement phase all the way to the downside, right? So if we scale down to a 1 hour time frame just to see some form of intraday trading perspective, right? uh we could see we have this area of resistance where price is trading right now. I know a lot of traders was buying into the market around this region, right? Because why, we was just entering this area of support, and that will not be smart as well, because why, we have this lows here, right? Price can easily just retrace, respect this lows, and then take this move all the way to the downside, right? So there was not actually trading opportunities in this market for taking any long positions, right? So but what I will wait for is for price to show me it's starting to lose momentum right in this region, right? This is our previous lows where that price did create it, and then trying to take another short position from this lower high point right here again, but it's going to be short term. So this is my forecast on US30. So let's jump into NAS100, right? I did take a buy position on NAS100 this morning, so I'm gonna break it down for you guys as well. But I'm just gonna show you guys a overall perspective of the market, right? If you just take a look here at an S100 here at CNBC, right, we can see the same fundamentals. Basically, everything is just red, right? You can just see we have a lot of red, and everybody's just selling off, right? So that is why you can see the effect here into the market here as well, right? You can see we have this rally here all the way to the downside, price trying to break structure. We can see that price did break also this equal lows right here, right? And there we can see we have this move here to the downside, right? So what I most likely will take a look at is for, if we scale on to 4 hour into our 1 hour time frame, gang, is that you could see that we can still see some downwards momentum from this reason, right? But this move right here is not enough to show us some form of a downwards momentum, right? Because why? This is our lower high point. This is our lower high point. We have this rally here to the downside. We did create this lower low point, right? So price can easily fell from this reason and create this double bottom, or maybe break this lows and continue all the way to the downside. But the best is to wait, gang, to see price to show you clean confirmation. What I most likely love to see is if price can create at least a double top right here on our smaller intraday time frames, like on 30 minutes and 15 minutes, and then take a trading position, guys. So this is my forecast on NAS100. You can even write a Fibonacci here as well, guys. Is that we can see that we have our 38% right here, we have 50% right here, and 6618 right there. So price did almost come run back into our 38, but didn't, right? So let's take a sneak peek on our lower time frames, right? If we can see anything. Not yet. 50 minutes, not yet. 5 minutes, not yet at all, right? So guys, what I want you guys to see right now is that this morning trade I did basically show the results in my free telegram group. If you guys is interested, you guys can just check the link in the description, and if you're just looking for a nice broker with low spreads, check it down below. So guys, what I was seeing this morning on NAS100 is that I did see price create this double top, right? And also create this neckline. This is a simple strategy, gang, right? It did create this double bottom. Did I say double top? But this double bottom create this neckline, right? Once I saw we have this bullish candle right there, right? Just clean it up. Once I saw we have this bullish candle right there, right? It did also engulf this previous 30-minute candle with a bullish momentum to the upside. So if I scale into my 15 minutes time frame, I cannot see much yet, but I did take the straight on my 5-minute time frame, right? So what did I saw? First of all, I did saw price did break out of it. There we can see price retested, right? And once I saw we have this momentum candle, this candle right here, right? I enter my position right away. I was having like a 30-point stop, 30-point stop, or 1-to-1. It's around here, right? 1-to-1, 30 points. And I was basically working on a 1-to-2 trade. Position was right here. This is where I was getting out at 63 point, right? So this is a simple strategy that you guys can apply as well. This is like baby pip strategy, right? With double bottom, breakout, retest, wait for the momentum candle. So this is basically what I did apply on this trade, right? And you guys can see this trade went all the way to the upside, right? This thing run with a lot of momentum to the upside, guys. So I hope you guys understand this topic and the forecast that I did show you guys and break down in this video, guys, because why it will be really beneficial for you guys if you just have this understanding, because why a lot of people is buying into the market, keeping eye out on your news, because why this is basically what's moving the market here at CNBC. Just keep an eye out, right? I don't want you guys to get too much into fundamentals, but just keep an eye out for this. Just look at the coloring, right? If you guys don't want to know all of the companies, just look at the colorings, right? Just look at the colorings. Yo, it's red. Every is red. That's a sign. That is why we can see the market is selling off, because why our stock market is red. So that is why this can be a helping hand for you and to build confluence to take that sell with ease, right? If we can see some form of patterns and behavior structures in this reason right here, we can expect to sell it off, because why our fundamentals is aligned with what we see on our technicals as well. So guys, this is it for this video, guys. If you're new to this video, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.